Shut up and take my money. That's what you want people to say when you want them to buy from you. But just know, quick conversions will bring in revenue faster, but nurtured sales will reap better rewards. If you're only hunting for the immediate yes, you're leaving the best opportunities on the table. Think of your marketing like a bank account. When you go straight for the sale without any introduction, you're trying to make a withdrawal before you've made a single deposit. Most of your website visitors are just not ready to buy the second they meet you or go to your website. They need to know that they can know, like, and trust you first. This is where email automation steps in to help with the heavy lifting. Instead of the buy now email, then creating a sequence that doesn't matter, make sure you're providing actual value. Step 1, send a helpful checklist or video tutorial. Step 2, share a personal anecdote or a customer success story. They go a long way. Step 3, then and only then, ask for the business. You're reducing friction and you're building a relationship that lasts much longer than a one-time transaction. Stop sprinting to the finish line and start running the marathon, because nurtured leads turn into loyal fans, and loyal fans are worth a lot more than a quick buck. Are you currently nurturing your leads, or are you just asking for the sale? Let me know in the comments, and let's talk about how to make sure that you're converting more and more often. Make sure to listen to episode 302 of the HMBT podcast to learn more about this topic with Victor Julio Coupe.